What are the differences between young and adult learners' approaches to learning? Let's start with young learners. Young learners tend to be adult-dependent. They depend on their teacher to direct their own learning, and they attribute the responsibility of their education to their parents or guardians. For a young learner, the teacher is an authority figure. Young learners implicitly accept what their teachers say, and they rarely question the learning goals or the content that their teachers have selected. Young learners do not have a clear sense of direction or an immediate venue for applying what they have learned in real life. They are often driven by external motivation, like parents, peer pressure, or competition. Compared to adults, young learners have less prior learning experiences. When it comes to communication, young learners are more spontaneous. They focus more on communication rather than accuracy. Young learners have short attention spans, so they need shorter tasks that can keep them motivated and visually engaged.
It's time now to see how different adult learners are. Adults are self-directed, independent learners, so they require less supervision and can be in charge of their learning journey. Teachers are seen by adult learners as guides, counselors, or facilitators. Adults are self-driven. Their motivation is internal as it originates from their desire for personal gratification and professional growth. Skepticism is an essential part of adults' learning journey. Adult learners are not just expected to challenge new information, they are in fact encouraged to do so. They learn best by comparing and contrasting new ideas to their preconceptions and prior life experiences. Education for adult learners should be relevant and applicable in real life. They need to have a clear learning path that can immediately help them satisfy their needs and achieve their goals. Compared to young learners, adults are more anxious about making mistakes, therefore, they focus more on accuracy rather than communication. Adult learners have longer attention spans and can handle complex tasks.
Remember that you have to take all those differences into consideration when deciding which age group to teach and when planning lessons for the group of learners you have chosen.